Hello and welcome to the course. My name is OctoMan and I'm your instructor for the next couple of hours in how to create a brick breaker 3D game in a Unity engine. We are going to learn how to create some user interface, or literally setting up this user interface. We're going to take a look into score as well as lives. We're going to take a look into pedal movement, so we can literally move the pedal left and right. We're going to take a look at some little effects, like some particle effects and all the other stuff. We are going to create a scriptable object system in which we can super simply design different designs of types of levels. So in which, like, the system itself is going to automatically create the bricks for us and tint them if we want them to be tinted, just by using a simple setting over here. We are going to take a look into those gizmos so we can see where all of these going to be created and how huge these gizmos have to be. So be prepared for a rather advanced session over there as well, based on this editor scripting possibilities to make our life easier. This is a non-necessary step, but it will simplify the process whenever we go and design even bigger and much more intense levels with different bricks and all the other stuff. So, speaking of a pedal, we're gonna take a look into one specific possibility to keep the pedal in screen space so we are unable to leave it. Same for the balls, they are going to literally do the same. With the space key, we are shooting the ball, and we are, of course, having a possibility to give some different bricks over here into the game. Also, there's a possibility for a drop chance to create multiples. We have an extension for the pedal itself, and we are going to get some speed up and so on and so forth. Once we are done with all of that, we are also able to shoot with this laser pickup, which is the L pill over here, in which we are able to shoot down all of the bricks overall, as well as we are able to lose a life, we are able to win this game, and we are going to be able to get score. We have the possibility to restart the game or even go back to a menu, and we are going to look at how we can literally automate which levels and buttons, corresponding buttons for this particular levels to load. So the one you have seen was the first one. We are also, or I was creating a second one just by copy and paste. It looks a bit different right now, so we have something to take a look at. I have a complete different design over here just by using some numbers which I had to pass in, and I can literally do as much different numbers I want to. We have the same possibilities over here. We can again design the drop chance over a drop manager or drop or power up manager, which gets or takes care of how much chance we do have to make sure that we get any kind of a drop. Also, we are taking a look into all this physics over here. So what do we really need to do some physics? How does the multiple functionality work, as well as the extension parameters? We are going to learn about coroutines. We are going to learn about literally functions, different classes, and all the other good stuff. Everything we need to create a brick breaker game at all in the 3D space over here. So, if you like this topic over here, I just wish to see you on or inside the course. So just join me on my session inside the course, and let's start learning into how we can create our own brick breaker 3D game in Unity. I hope you enjoyed this little preview, and see you in the course. Bye bye.